Reasons for using run-to-failure maintenance, Part 2. Difficulty in performing preventative maintenance. If preventative maintenance is too difficult to perform, then this too could be a reason to choose a run-to-failure maintenance option. Perhaps the equipment is too difficult to reach because of its height, or perhaps it is in a confined space or at a remote location. These are all reasons why run-to-failure may be considered to be the best maintenance type until easier access the equipment can be designed and installed. The cost of preventative maintenance. Run-to-failure may be a great option when it is just too expensive to perform preventative maintenance. If your analysis shows that the total cost of doing preventative maintenance is more than the total cost of doing run-to-failure maintenance, then this would be a valid reason to adopt run-to-failure as a strategy. Before you use cost as a reason for using run-to-failure, make sure you include all of your costs in the run-to-failure analysis. Are you including lost production, customer unhappiness, rework and other indirect costs in your analysis? If not, you should, because these can be significant.